Oh boy.
Thank you. How'd you even turn that on?
My GoPro? You don't touch my GoPro, baby. That's it. Good to see you later. You're going out the window. You're going out the window.
He's going out the window.
All right. Just making some dinner. By the way, I bought a new GoPro. I just wanted to let you know. Had to buy a new GoPro.
You're holding hands.
Whoa. Just went to the Alpine Ski Center here in Greenville. Really awesome place to get gear, whether you want to purchase or you want to rent. Great staff. So shout out to those guys for hooking me up. We're gonna head up to Hatley Pointe up in North Carolina. I'm gonna try to get some good footage. This is the first time that I have skied. I've done some snowboarding in the past, but I've never put on a pair of skis. So as a rollerblader, as a guy that's been on the water skiing, I'm confident that I'm gonna nail this. We're here in Greenville now. We've left Wadmalaw Island, which is kind of in the Charleston area. We're excited about some new adventures up here, and this is one of those. I'm gonna wake up super early, head over to my buddy Ryan's house, load up the truck. So see you guys in the morning.
I need more energy.
What's going on, Ryan?
Oh man, just tearing up the bunnies.
The bunnies.
The bunny slopes.
What was this place called before?
Wolf Laurel.
We're on the bunnies, just making sure we got everything dialed in. Excited to get up there. It's my first time getting on the skis. All right, we're checking out the new Hatley Pointe. Beautiful place, they've done a great job with it. Take you guys down the slope and show you what's up. Dude, when you get to the edge, I know, right? It's like, okay.
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, so that's definitely ungroomed.
Dude.
It's starting to get a little bit of moguls on it.
Yeah.
That gets tough. So note to self, we go to the right at the top.